Exposing the secret sauce in killer IG profiles. Because seriously, why isn't everyone doing this? Grab your phone, let's give your Instagram a total glow up. You in? First up, your profile pic. No more blurry selfies, please. Use a bright, clear photo or your logo if you're a biz on a simple background. A pop of color never hurts. Next, your bio. You've got 150 characters. Make them count. State what you do, add a dash of personality, sprinkle in an emoji, and don't forget a call to action like DM me or check my link. Now, highlights. Organize your stories and design matching covers. It's like instant brand vibes for your page. On to the grid. Stick to a color scheme, use the same filters, and keep your photos high quality. Planning apps like Planoly are your BFFs for a feed that flows. Captions, keep them short, punchy, and use hashtags that actually fit your content. And finally, be real. Reply to your fans and show your face on stories. Quick recap, killer profile pic, snappy bio, chic highlights, cohesive feed, and real engagement.